Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the allele, different versions of the same gene. By the end of this video, you'll know what makes an allele different from a gene, how many alleles you have for each gene, and why alleles matter for inheritance. An allele is a different form of the same gene. The gene is at a fixed position on the chromosome, the same position in everyone, but the gene can come in different versions. Each version is an allele. You inherit two alleles for each gene, one from each parent, and they may be the same or different. Three things. 1. Every gene has a fixed position. Alleles are the variants found there. 2. You have two alleles for each gene. 3. Alleles can be dominant or recessive. Dominant alleles show up even with one copy, recessive only when you have two of them. A common slip. Don't confuse gene and allele. The gene is the position, the allele is the variant. There may be many alleles of a single gene across a population, but any individual carries only two. Quick example, the eye color gene has alleles for brown, capital B dominant, and blue, lowercase b recessive. Possible genotypes, capital B, capital B, capital B, small b, small b, small b. Each person carries one of these three combinations for the eye color gene. Two alleles total, one from mum, one from dad. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.